What's up, guys? It's Zaner Gamers here today with another banger video. Today I'm going to be playing some Roblox. Yeah, today's video won't be that long usually, even though it's my first video. I know it's probably only going to be have a beard or whatever. Let's get into it. So I'm playing Would You Rather. Today I'm just going to do this. Yeah, so I'm playing Would You Rather. Look at what he said. Today I'm playing Would You Rather. It's a really fun game. Go check it out in Roblox. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm playing Would You Rather. So Would You Rather, I have a hoverboard as you can see, Christmas lights, and a guitar. Oh wait. Alright, so I could, apparently if you guys could see that, right? So I could press it. Play notes. So I have to play HJKLCXC. Alright, there, I just played the note. I don't know what happened. Alright, so yeah. Whoa, this is actually a good song. I like it. I think I'm only gonna play this for a lot, like maybe for 7 minutes. I like this song. Yeah, I like it. Obviously, I'm gonna play Murder Mystery next, and I'm gonna spend more time because you have to wait in the lobby and stuff. So I'm probably only gonna play for 4 more minutes until only a few more minutes. All right, whatever. Look, Donald Trump. I don't know, guys. It's just in this game. Even though I hate both of them, look what he says. It's funny. This is the funniest thing ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, how did that guy do emojis? Loser. Legs. I don't know, guys. I'll just do legs. Comment down below which one you would think of all of them. Oh my. Oh my god. Alright, I think I'm gonna play this for like 2 or 1 more minute. Oh my god, move out of the way. I'm jumping so high. Blah blah blah. I don't care. I hate this song. Alright. Yeah, whatever. Oh, what is this? Can I pick it up? Nope. Would you rather good duck? What? Would you rather a good duck? Would you rather be a good duck or evil duck? Evil. Evil. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've actually never played this one. Actually, oh my god. That was a funny one. Alright, I'm only gonna play. I think I'm gonna end it right here. Alright, I'll just play one more round, I guess. Hopefully, this is a good one. Alright, would you rather have a mustache, have a beard? Come on, man, mustache should look ugly. Oh, Oh yeah, come on, it's dead. What the heck? It's like I have a mustache and a beard. I'm like, I know it's not supposed to happen, but that looks like it so much. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna play the notes on my guitar. Yeah, guys, at the match, the round, they actually ended. I know, I still have the beard, but it just ended. Sorry, guys. Comment down below if you want me to play more and subscribe. Alright, I think I'll play Murder Mystery, and I'll play Phantom Forces for a little. Yeah, I'll play. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll play Phantom Forces for a little. Maybe. Murder Mystery is fun. It's Murder Mystery 2, as you can see. They still have the Christmas thing. Seriously. Seriously, Murder Mystery. How many coins do I have? I have a lot, don't I? Oh no, how much do I have? Oh, come on. Alright, the match started. The match. Where's my enemy? Okay, this is a small map, so yes, right there. Oh, nice. Slice and dice, you know how to call me. Oh no, I just died. But yeah, they call me the slice and dicer. I only killed 2 people though and got 0 coins. Alright, I think I'm gonna spend my coins. 155. Which I spent it. Oh, come on. The match already ended. Sparkle, they're not good though. That's one thing. So I think I'll get as Indy. Should I get this? I don't know, guys. I think I'll just get this. Looks sick, so yeah. Oh, I can't buy anymore. Well, yeah, I just got. Which one did I get? Oh, now I just need to go on inventory. This to that. And kaboom! That looks sick. Oh yeah, but that's a knife, so that shouldn't look sick. Alright, let's start the round, please. Alright, so that's my enemy, as you can see up there, where it says game starts there on top of that. Alright, so she's right there. Alright, so where'd she go? There? Oh! Oh no. Nice. Alright, so I think there's only a few more people left. Oh, where is this guy? Nope. Is here? I think he's here. So I need to get some coins. It was not an event. Oh! Oh, guys, I think we killed each other there. I don't know what happened right there. It's like I did suicide. Oh, wait, how many coins do I have? I think I only got. Oh, I could get another one, but I'm not gonna. I don't think I should. Should I trade someone? I don't know. I think let's turn trades off. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I've only played one round because I have to wait. So that's why. That's why I'm probably not gonna play Murder Mystery. Sorry, Murder Mystery, not Murder Mystery, Phantom Forces. I'm probably not gonna. Yeah, I think I'll do that next time. Trump did. I just got a message. It was on the news. It wasn't from Trump, guys, though. Alright, I think someone spawns there every time I spawn here. No, I'm not lying, guys. If you think I am, I'm not. Some people have movie theaters in their houses. Comment down below if you have one. If you do, that's sick. I can't kill that guy. Ah! Jeez Louise. Where is he? Nope, I'm gonna go. It's like a university kind of, to be honest. Oh no, he's not up there. I don't know. He's not up there. Oh no, he's not up there. I don't know where is he? All right, I just got killed. All right, that was the second round. Yeah, I'm not playing. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Yes. Yeah, I'm not gonna be playing Phantom Force. I'm just gonna waste my rest of my 5 minutes on what is it called? On this. I'm not playing Phantom Forces. I know, like, I'm expanding time, but I need time for this, cause this game, it takes a long time. So yeah, you have to plan it out. Yeah, I think I should do a video on this, a full video on this, or a full video on Would You Rather. Comment down below if you want that, or a full video on Phantom Forces. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a Call of Duty game where you do stuff, and yeah. Okay, whatever. It says the Rolex. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the map to load. Oh, come on, the thing didn't even finish. Man, I think there's only 3 people that are dead. You gotta be kidding me. And how many people are on the server? Oh, not much. So this guy, yellow guy right here, me, and where is he? Alright, everyone is dead. I respawned, so yeah, everyone is dead. Alright. Christmas event 2017. Christmas already passed. No one cares. Yeah, that's probably because that's why the Christmas trees are up, because the Christmas event. It should be a winter event too. Yeah, I think a winter event mostly because Christmas already passed. I only have a few minutes left. I can't play Phantom Forces. Alright, finally, I think this might be the last map. It takes so long to load though. Come on. I don't know why. Okay, thank you. Come on, I need to play good for my friends. Someone spawn in the bathroom. Whoever comes in the bathroom, actually, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll hide. Is this the woman? No. I heard someone. This is just like. Oh my god, no. Whatever. Oh, there's a coin right there. No. No, do not kill me. Oh no, I don't know how. I think that got through. Come on. Man. I think this is gonna have to be the last round. I know you guys are saying that why can't you do a bit longer? Cause I'll tell you. Cause yeah, I actually have a time limit. Not like for my mom and dad. I just yeah. My printer just turned on. Sorry. Yeah. But yeah, I have a time limit on my YouTube thing. Yeah. Basically, I have a time limit on my YouTube thing. Only 15 minutes. Oh man, I only have a minute left. I don't even think I can play the last round in front of you guys. Yes, I'll tell you when it's 14:40, and then I'll stop it right there. Yeah, I can't play the last round. Only if the last round started like at 14 right there. But yeah, then. Yeah. See, I think all the people are dead, but nope. I still can't play, and whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn on notifications, like, and share to your family and friends. Hope you guys have a great day. Go check out my other channel, same name. I think I'll post it Bye!